If you would like to see me make some lotion bars, keep watching. I'm starting off with my selected fragrance that I want to mix and use. Big mistake, too much fragrance. I'm going to have some beeswax that I'm going to be using, and of course some cocoa butter from Caribbean Coastal Delights. Oh, I love them. And also I ordered some molds from soap molds from Amazon. Love it as well. You're going to need some measuring cups. Well, yeah, measuring cups plural. And most importantly, you're going to need a measuring what am I talking about? You're gonna need some oil. I chose olive oil because it's great for the skin. Anyways, so in one of my measuring cups, I'm going to measure out the beeswax first because it's going to be the most ingredients in my lotion bar. So that's what I'm doing right now. Next, I'm going to clear my scale and then add my next product, which is shea butter. Sorry, cocoa butter. I'm so used to using shea butter, guys. That's so sad. But anyway, my next ingredient I'm going to add is olive oil. Olive oil is extremely great for the skin, although it does not smell good on the skin or smell good, period. But olive oil have so many benefits for the skin. It's just amazing, and I will list the benefits down in the description box. Also the measurements of this lotion bar if you would like to make it yourself. And keep in mind that I got this got the measurements and the idea from Bramble Berry YouTube channel, so check them out. So basically what I'm doing here is just simply adding all my ingredients into one because I'm going to use the double boiler method, or kind of, sort of, not really. I just have a pot already on my stove with boiling hot water, and I'm just combining all the ingredients together in one measuring cup and then add that to my stove, and you will see that momentarily about now. So I'm going to place that. I do not want to microwave anything because I feel like microwaving down all the ingredients, number one, is going to take forever because my cocoa butter that I purchased is extremely hard. So I thought it would be smart to just place it on the stove and melt it all down together. And yeah, it's starting to fog. Sorry about that, guys. But anyway, once it melted down completely, I have like 3 of the lotion bars that I want to use. Well, there go my fragrance again. Ooh, Bramble Berry is the best. I love them. All right, so now that everything is literally melted down, I have some lotion bars that I wanted to put coffee in, or whatever, coffee grinds. Guys, I'm just doing the most. But anyway, so I'm just simply just filling in all the molds there that you see. I literally made all together with my measurements, I think about a good what is that, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, maybe like 15 or so, because I actually used more. Another mold that I had too, the blue one that you see in the beginning. Anyway, you know what, guys, just watch me fill these in. Now I'm going to sit there and let them cool for a couple of hours, or not even, because they actually cool pretty fast. Voila. I am fresh out of the shower, guys, and this is how you're going to use it. You're simply just going to add the lotion bar, grab the lotion bar and just rub it over your skin. Your skin should be slightly damp, so that way it's easier to rub on your body there. And I know I am super ashy. Don't come for me. But thanks for watching.